In this video, I'm going to show you how to add sound effects in CapCut. So this can be really useful to make your videos more engaging. Now you can add sound effects to transition between different video clips. You can also add sound effects for specific parts of your video. So I'll show you two different ways to do this. The first method is you can go and click on audio in the top navigation. You can then scroll down this left-hand side and click on the drop down next to sound effects. Now there's a bunch of different sound effects that you can choose from. For example, you could go and click on transitions and you could add something like a swoosh effect between your different two video clips. And this is a great way to transition between two different videos. So let me just go and play this so you can see exactly what this sounds like. As you can see, it's a great way to transition between two clips. Now you can also search for sound effects as well. So let's say I wanted a sound effect of a clock. Once you've found the sound effect that you want to use, simply go and drag it onto your timeline like this. Now, if you can't find the sound effect you're looking for in CapCut, you can head over to the website pixabay.com and then you can click on sound effects from the list of options. Now, this is a website that provides royalty-free sound effects that you can go and use in your videos. So once again, go and search for the sound effect that you want to use. Once you've found a sound that you like, you can click on the download button next to it. Once it's been downloaded, you can simply drag it into your video like this. Now you may also want to change the volume of your sound effects as well. Maybe you want to make it louder or quieter. You can do that just by selecting the audio track and you can go and adjust the volume slider in the top right hand side. So it's really as simple as that, guys. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.